Hi guys, ito nga yung ganap sa aking simpleng birthday celebration kahapon kasama ang aking maliit na pamilya dito sa Germany.
Happy birthday to you. Why not? Hello.
Why I don't have a cake?
No cake we need to buy.
Nagulat nga ako paglabas ng banyo dahil nakaabang na pala si German husband at may dala pang kandila. Tapos, nung pumunta ako sa kusina, ito naman yung nakita ko, napakadaming regalo. Syempre, galing kay Patrick at saka kay Ethan.
Zum Geburtstag, Alice Liebe. Was ist das auf English?
Huh?
Happy birthday to you.
All the love for your
For your
birthday.
birthday. Hala! Why is it? Hala! Hala, hala! Don't need to! Schatz, oi! Ah, Mann. Alice Liebe zum Geburtstag für dich den Rest unserer Leben verbringen. Oh, Schatz, wir lieben dich den Ehemann und auch alles Gute von Ethan. Oh,
Die even sign?
ja.
Die even sign.
Mama, warum? Oh, thank you, no.
Oh.
Vielen
Guck mal, Ethan
Dank.
sign.
So you have sign here.
That's why I need Ethan yesterday.
Yes, Mama. Is this a kind of good thing? Hello. Did you think it's? Hello.
It smells good.
It smells good. Yeah. Hello. I don't have the Jean Paul Gaultier. How to read this Jean Paul Gaultier?
Jean-Paul Gaultier.
Jean Paul Gaultier. Oh, look, this is
Jean-Paul.
expensive, shots. I don't even buy it because it's expensive.
It's new.
Hello, it smells good. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. What do I need? I make more.
It's the bigger one.
This?
Yeah.
This is also from you? Everything is from you?
Don't know who gives them. Yes, everything is for me.
What is this? What is this? Open it up.
Other.
Huh? You buy me smartwatch shots. You don't need to buy me a lot.
It's just used.
You don't need to give me a lot. Auction.
Not the newest, but it still looks good and it's good for
No,
testing.
smartwatch. You don't need to give me a lot shots. But thank you so much. Nice color. What is this? Rose gold?
Rose gold.
Hello.
Like I said, not new, but still good and good for testing.
Good for testing.
Yeah, if you like the smartwatch. If you can really make just paying, and it's a small one. It's
What is this?
open,
Huh?
open.
I have 4 gifts. Wow. Okay, what is this? Is that extra for the watch? Yay!
Nakasanayan na talaga namin na every time we celebrate a birthday or kapag may special occasion na kailangan naming celebrate is kakain kami sa labas. Kami lang kasing tatlo at wala naman akong mga malalapit na kaibigan dito na may invite ko for my birthday kaya hindi na din ako naghahanda. Since nandito ako sa Germany, every birthday ay hindi na talaga katulad sa Pilipinas. Ibang-iba kasi yung katulad sa atin na kapag may birthday may handaan talaga. Syempre marami tayong mga kaibigan sa Pilipinas, mga kakilala at kapitbahay. Dito kasi wala ako masyadong mga kaibigan dito sa Germany na malapit sa amin. At dito sa tinitirhan namin, 1 taon pa lang kami dito nakatira kaya wala talaga ako masyadong nakakilala. Marami talaga yung mga nakasanayan ko sa atin sa Pilipinas na nagbago na simula nung dito ako nakatira sa Germany. But above everything, I'm so thankful pa din for the new experiences na naranasan ko while living here in Germany. So ngayong taon pala is I'm 32 years old, so I'm not getting any younger, but of course, I have a lot to be thankful for. Unang-una, may small happy family, sa aking mabait na German husband, at sa aking mabait at healthy na anak. By the way, napakasarap pala ng pagkain dito sa restaurant na kinainan namin. Yung unang in-order namin is yung garlic bread, tapos itong napakasarap na seafood, parang fried seafood dito siya. Merong isda, pusit, at saka shrimp. Dito lang ako nakakain ng super fresh na seafood dito sa Germany. Tapos napakasarap din ng kanilang pizza dito. Ito yung paborito ko na pizza with broccoli, tapos napakadaming cheese and garlic. At dahil hindi namin naubos yung in-order namin na pagkain, kaya ayan, isharo na natin yan. Syempre, kailangan natin yang ibalot at dalhin sa bahay para initin mamaya. Before we end the night, sa aking kaarawan, iinom muna kami ngayong gabi nitong wine. Hindi na ako nag-order doon sa restaurant dahil meron naman kaming wine sa bahay. At saka namamahalan ako sa kanilang wine doon. Let's cheer to my birthday, wishing for more birthdays of course to come. At syempre, maraming salamat din sa aking 140,000 na follower. Isa din kayo sa naging parte ng aking buhay as my virtual friend dito sa Facebook. We are happy to share small part of our daily lives sa ating mga kaibigan dito sa Facebook. Minsan, ito na din yung outlet ko kapag namimiss ko ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-greet sa akin. Mas bless pa sana tayo this year at sana maabot yung ating mga pangarap sa buhay. Maraming salamat sa panunood and see us again in our next video.